Hello everyone, welcome to Toy Concept. Today we want to look at number formatting, date formatting, and test case regularization. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. For number formatting, I want to format the population values. So I will need to highlight, come to settings and click on custom. I'll specify this format. So this is what I have now. Then let's quickly create a chart. Highlight, insert. I don't need this. Let's add the values. Let me also reverse the order. Click on category in reverse order. So this is the result. Let's also work on date and time formatting. This is called timestamp. Timestamp is the combination of date and time. So let's try to extract the date. You can use a function called test. Specify the cell. dd -yy. So this is actually 19 June 2025. Then you can populate down. Let's try to extract the time. Equals to test, same function. Specify the cell. This is hour, column, minute. Then I want to format by AM or PM. Then you can populate down. So let me also show you one more method. You need to use the same function, test, specify the cell, the day, month, year, hour, minute, AM/PM. That is the result. This is also time stamp. We want to regularize the test case. You notice the cases used here are not regular, so we can change everything to upper, lower, or proper. So let's use the three method. The first one is upper. Upper also means uppercase. Upper, then reference the cell. So you get everything in uppercase. Let's try lower. So you will get everything in lowercase. Finally, let's try proper. For proper, the first letter will be in uppercase.